percentage basics too. So today we are going to learn fraction into percentage and the second concept, which is percentage used as a multiplier. To convert any fraction into percentage, just multiply by 100. For example, 1 by 2. If I multiply 1 by 2 with 100, I get a 50%. So 1 by 2 is equivalent to 50%. See, 1 by 2 is 50%. 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 multiplied by 100 is going to give me a 25%. So 1 by 4 is also equal to 25%. So if you are done with this, let's remember all the fractions which are going to be helpful in our exam. So here is the table. 1 is 100%, 1 by 2 is 50%, 1 by 3 33.33%, 1 by 4 is 25%, 1 by 5 is 20%, 1 by 6 16.66%, which is also the half of 1 by 3. 1 by 7 is easy to remember, 7 ka double 14, 14 ka double 28, so 1 by 7 is 14.28%. 1 by 8 is half of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 25% था, उसका half, so it's a 12.5%. 1 by 9, divide the 100 into 9 parts, so each part will be 11.11%. 1 by 10 is a 10%, 1 by 11 is 9.09%, and 1 by 12 is half of 1 by 6. So 16.66 ka half is 8.33%. After remembering all this fraction, you have to remember their multiple as well. For example, 1 by 3 is 33.33%. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is 66.66%. 1 by 4, 25%. 2 by 4, 50%. 3 by 4, 75%. Similarly, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and the 100%. 1 by 6, 16.66, 2 by 6, 33.33, 3 by 6, 50%, 4 by 6, 66.66, 5 by 6, 83.33. So it's 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 25, 37.5, 50, 62.5, 75, 87.5 and 100. 1 by 9 is 11.11, 2 by 9 will be 22.22, 3 by 9 33.33, 4 by 9 44.44 and so on. So are the multiples of 10. Then 1 by 11 is 9.09. Remember the table of 9. So 2 by 11 is going to be 18.18. 3 by 11 27.27, 36.36, 45.45 and so on. 1 by 12 8.33. So 2 by 12, which is also equal to 1 by 6, that is a 16.66%. Meanwhile, you can take the screenshot as well to remember all this. Just we have discussed in the previous slides. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 up to 1 by 16. And here is the test for you. You have to solve this 20 questions in 2 minutes. So you can take the screenshot and try this 20 questions with a timer of 2 minutes. So for example, 66.66 is nothing but 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 of 300 is going to be a 200. 37.5 is nothing but 3 by 8 of 64. So 3 by 8 of 64 is 24. Let me show you the solutions of these questions as well. So as discussed, these fractions are nothing but the percentage that we have already learned. So percentage into fraction and fractions into percentage. Now let's move to the second concept of the day, which is percentage used as a multiplier. For example, if I say A is 20% more than B, so how we are going to write this in a mathematical form? A is 20% more than B. So A is nothing but 100% plus 20% of B. So 100% of B plus extra 20%, which is nothing but 120% of B. And 120%, that is divided by 100 multiplied by B. So yes, this 0 is gone and it's a 1.2. So we are left with A is equal to 1.2 into B. If A is 30% more than B, so our equation will be 100 plus 30, which is 130%, that is 1.3. Let's take few more example. P is 20% less than R, which means that P is 100% minus 20% of R, that is 80% of R, which is nothing but 0.8 into R. So the percentage multiplier we got as 0.8. X is 60% of Y. So it's simply X is equal to 60 by 100 of Y, that is X is equal to 0.6 into Y. So our multiplying factor is 0.6. E is 25% less than F, similar to this example. So E is nothing but 0.75 multiplied by F, and this is the multiplying factor. M is 100% more than N, so M is equal to 100% plus 100%, that is M is 200% of N, which is nothing but M is equal to 2N. So you have to remember this multiplying factor as well. K is 80% less than N, so I can write directly K is 0.2 into